In this episode of Made In, we get inspired by the technology and the vision at Bellmont Cabinet Company in Sumner, Washington.
Welcome to Bellmont Cabinet Company here. Bellmont's been around for 35 years. We specialize in what we call European cabinetry. In our wheelhouse, we offer a wide variety of door styles, species, colors, you name it, we do it. Cabinets come a long ways in the last 20, 30 years. We have automatic features where cabinets will open and close on their own. Trash cans, your hands are full. You hit it with your thigh, trash can comes out, you can put your garbage away and then close it again. It's very important that quality and sizing are very precise. As you can see, we have all these 1/8 inch gaps, 1/8 inch between, 1/8 inch between. So sizing and making sure all the parts are to the correct dimensions is very critical so that you have the right spacing when you go and adjust everything out in the field. This is our nested router section. This machine pulls the panel onto the table. The table is a complete vacuum pod. It vacuums the sheet down and then it goes and routes out each part that it is called to route out. If you look at that computer screen there, this board that's coming on is going to be routed into 6 different parts. While it's routing the parts, it's also going to print out the label. This label gets put on every part. These operators know what part it is and where to put the label on each part. This line, the materials go through, they're getting cleaned. This is a cleaning process. We have those are ostrich hair brushes that are cleaning the parts. And then there's an air blower blowing them off so that they go into the spray chamber as clean, debris-free as possible so that we can get that nice, beautiful clear coat applied. These guns are pointing at all different angles so that we get the best spray coverage on every door. This is Bellmont Assembly Department. These are all stacks of parts ready to go. So the parts come over, our operators, technicians, will set out the side panels, just like that technician is over there. He'll put in all the hardware, and then he'll glue the case together. So the cabinets will come down, they'll go through the stretch wrapping machine, get some shrink wrap on. That just helps tighten the package, keeping everything nice and tight during shipment. This operator will take all the packages with the same job number, and he'll collate them all together and then send them over to shipping.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Made In. If so, why not hit the subscribe button? Head over to edgefactor.com, create a free account. There are many more videos like this.